world of business is often a dog-eat-dog world, with the margins between success and failure being very slight. As an ambitious business owner or director, hungry for success, you may know where you want to drive your business, but how do you know where you need to focus your efforts and in what priority you make those changes? In driving success, would it be useful to gain factual insight into your business, understanding the needs of your customers and what your employees believe? The DICE Matrix model is the answer, an online business tool that generates a strategic business marketing and sales growth plan at the click of a button. Suitable for both business to business or business to consumer, DICE Matrix model software works using real-time insights from your customers and your employees. The DICE Matrix model works by sending a link to an online questionnaire to your customers and employees. It covers 6 key areas: the customer, the sale, the product, service, aftercare and people. Once the answers have been collated by the DICE Matrix software, it analyses the responses from your customers and employees, providing detailed, bespoke outputs. Using this analysis, you will be able to view your results in real time online and print out a detailed report of the personalised solutions, broken down into business divisions or areas to allow you to formulate clear action plans. The DICE Matrix generates your goals and objectives into achievable, manageable actions and even gives you tactical recommendations. Whether you're looking to gain new customers, stop attrition, move into different markets, look to expand, gain investment, trial a new way of working, sell your business, or just gain some critical insight into where to go next, the DICE Matrix model will help you achieve your goals. Once you have purchased the DICE Matrix model, you can log on to the web-enabled software and start to produce your personalised survey, initially inputting your business information and uploading your logo to allow real personalisation. To create the survey, simply select from the pre-written, ergonomically designed questions which suit your business. Select the questions you wish to ask your customers in the relevant tone that suits your brand and your business. The employee section of the survey will automatically populate for you, but don't worry, you can select another question if the auto selection doesn't feel correct or suit your requirements. Then save the survey. It's that simple. Then the silent consultant is ready to gather all the insight you could ever need to build your future business strategy, to drive your sales, which are clearly built on factual outputs. Once you save the survey, you will automatically receive 2 links, one for your customers and one for your employees, and a test example email. Copy and paste these into your email application, rewrite if you want, to create personalised emails for your employees and customers. Then when you are ready, send out the 2 emails to your employees and customers. Once a customer or employee receives the email and clicks on the link, there are clear instructions that make it easy to complete the survey online. This includes a great countdown tool which advises the respondent of their progress, encouraging them to complete the survey. The DICE Matrix model system will automatically save the surveys, allowing you to log in at any time and receive real-time data updates, such as how many people have completed the survey, when the last person was active, how many, if any, have abandoned the survey prior to completion, and what type of responses you have received. When you are ready, you can close the survey and then start to generate the report with the simple click of a button. Now, the real magic happens. The DICE Matrix model will automatically reconcile all of your data, comparing your customers' answers with the mirrored ergonomic employee responses to deliver you a host of vital business-building insight in one simple report. The DICE Matrix model will compare the answers and carry out detailed, tried and tested factual gap analysis, which delivers you a clear route to growth and success. You will receive the entire set of questionnaire and survey responses, with the comparisons and detailed analysis on the potential risks and opportunities that these specific results mean for you. You will also get verbatim insight into any comments made by individuals to help you really understand the voice of your customer and the importance of your employees' views. You will then receive a hit list of your biggest risks, high risks, opportunities or risk opportunities, with detailed bespoke action plans, all with recommendations, including sector-specific suggestions to enable you to address these issues quickly and effectively to build a stronger business. So no matter the size of your business or the sector, if you want to grow your business, Dice Matrix Model is the only business model that you should use. Visit www.dicematrixconsulting.co.uk and select the Buy Now button to create your survey and start the journey of discovery into your business strategy today.